Hey, what's going on? I'm Tyler Wysong, and today I want to give you a quick tip for your mixed voice. Let's go. So I put together a little sequence for you that's going to really help you work on your mixed voice, find it, and even hopefully master it. So you're going to need a buzzy card, and this is going to ensure that we're starting in flow phonation, because that's going to be the foundation for finding an easy mixed voice. You want pitch, volume, and phonation type to be independent of each other. So when you go higher, you shouldn't have to squeeze more. You can stylistically, but you shouldn't have to technically. All right, so we're going to use this as a lead-in, and inside of our mouth, we're going to do a rapid articulation of digga, 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 day. And what this is going to do is ensure that we're not compressing the floor of our mouth downward, because that's going to cause a lot of problems muscularly, but also acoustically. And this is going to set us up for a good resonant sensation so that we can actually get into our mixed voice the right way. All right, so this is what it's going to be like. You're going to do this whole sequence, and then you're going to do a mum, mum, mum exercise and take it on up to your mix. Mum, 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 mum. 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 Mum, 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 mum. When a man loves a woman, yeah, yeah. This sequence is awesome. It makes it so much easier to just focus on the task, which is flow phonation all throughout your range while getting up into mixed voice. Just remember though, this is just a tip. This is not a systematic approach. So ultimately, in the long term, you're going to want to apply this information within the context of a systematic approach that hopefully you are working on. If you don't have one, and potentially if you're looking for one with a bunch of exercises specifically designed to help you work in your voice, I made something for you. It's really amazing. If you want to check that out, I have a link for you down below. But hey, can I encourage you for just a moment? Can you just look back over the years or even the recent months or weeks that you have been thinking about and even setting goals for yourself of what you want to do and what you want to accomplish with your life, or even just your voice and your career as an artist, or potentially even as a teacher? Can you just think about that for a second? Now, can you go with me here? Can you just times all of those by 10? My friend, I'll tell you something. I think a lot of us set the bar way too low on what we think is possible for ourselves. And to make this very simple, using simple numbers, what if somebody wanted to earn $10,000 and that was their goal? Well, what if they just set the goal to $100,000 and potentially they made 50? Well, there you go. That's better than the initial 10,000. Or hey, get crazy with me here for a second. What if someone wanted to earn $100,000 in a year and they said, no, I want to make $1 million. And instead, let's go for $1 million. Well, what if they hit 500,000 or even 250,000? That's still far greater than their initial $100,000 in a year. So just using simple numbers there, why don't you set $1 million goal for yourself? I don't mean the money, unless that's what you want to do. But what if you set $1 million vocal goal for yourself? What if you go do something crazy like, I want to win a Grammy, or I want my song to be #1 on Spotify playlist? You know, whatever. You come up with whatever it is for yourself. But I want to challenge you. Take the goals that you have set for yourself, times them by 10. I hope you liked this video today. If you did, give it a like and let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe down below and join the family. Until next time.